Let's go on the Chucalissa Nature Trail. Look at how beautiful this trail is, stretching off into the distance. Check out the unique bark on this hackberry tree. Is that not gorgeous? The Chickasaws lived up on bluffs by the Mississippi River, and you can certainly see the gully action here, can't you? If you really think about it, at the top of this bluff, we're sitting right at treetop level. Just know that in the springtime, this would be like walking through a tunnel. This would be super cool. It's January now. Come back in the spring or summer and just look at how gorgeous this will turn out to be. Let's go down this way and see what we can see. Okay. Well. Now we are definitely right on the railroad track here. And then looking back over in here, there's swampland plenty. So I think one of the benefits of being on top of this bluff system is that you got all this swampy area around here. Would make it really difficult for someone to sneak up on you. There's a train coming down the track. Never know what you might see on the Chucalissa Nature Trail. Wonder, could you have ever explained to the natives of this region 500 years ago that there would be long metal snaking beasts carrying many treasures for great distances? Moving on their own power. Just learned that this trail ends in a scenic overlook, and so it's not a big loop. We're gonna head down to this other trail connection down this way and see what we see. Just learned that this is a continuation. I thought that was the end of it. Instead, looks like we've got some small footbridges that we can utilize and keep on going. Anybody in there? Beautiful Tennessee. Beautiful woodland ferns. Let's learn some Chickasaw language just for a minute. Chukma. Hello. Chin Chukma. How are you? I'm Chukma. I'm doing good. I'm Chukma Keo. I'm not doing too good. Okay, apparently here is where this trail interlinks to a longer trail. Here's one direction, and I'm guessing this is the direction back toward the museum. Yes, well said. Sproing. Possibly a little bit of agrobacterium action here, possibly. That's interesting. Yes, I am starting to get out of breath. So apparently the Discovery Loop continues to the left, but I can see buildings back that direction. But I think we are going to go to this upper trail so we can go back and exit. Beautiful Tennessee. Keep coming back. Yes, this is the exact direction we wanted to go, because now we are exactly back at the Chucalissa main grounds. Moving at a leisurely pace. That took about 40 minutes or so, I guess. Enjoy. Keep coming back.